Welcome to my channel You Learn Easily. In this video I am going to explain about extrude operation. If you like this video, do like, share and with your friends. In this video I am going to explain some cases where we can use this extrude operation, and in the modeling tab we can have this extrude operation. And when I place the cursor at the extrude face, it is showing it will be used for the creation of extrusion from a selected face or creating a closed polygon. So for creating a closed polygon or for extending a particular face, we can use this extrude face operation. And now I'm going to show you how to extend a particular face. And we know that in a simple microstrip patch antenna, on the top we can have the patch, and below the patch there will be a substrate, and below the substrate there will be a ground. And here as an example I have taken a simple patch with a substrate. Now I am going to create the ground layer by using this extrude face operation. And for creating the extrude face operation, we need to select a particular face so that we can extend that face. And here we know that ground will be below the substrate, so we need to have the ground on the back side of the substrate. So for that purpose I am going to select the back side of the substrate, and I am going to select this back side of the substrate. Select this face, then click the extrude face operation. Then a window will open and it will ask for the name of that extension. And here I am going to give the name as ground, and I want to extend the ground by HC. See here, before that there is no layer. Now I am going to extend this face, back side of the substrate. When I click the preview, it is showing the extension. So here this is the extension. So backside of the substrate has been extended by HC, which is nothing but ground. So now ground has been created. So see here we have the substrate. Below the substrate there is a ground layer. So here we have used extrude operation for creating the ground. Similarly, we can use extrude operation for creating the substrate. For that purpose, first create the ground layer, then select the top layer of the ground. Then we can use this extrude face operation for creating the substrate. So this is one case where we can use the extrude face operation. Now I am going to show you how to use the extrude face operation for creating a closed polygon. So for creating a closed polygon, here already I have the feed. So from this feed I am going to create a polygon. So for creating a polygon, first we need to select the end. Now I am going to place the local coordinates. Now I am going to take the polygon from the curves, and here I am going to create a simple polygon which is full square polygon, and I am going to give the name polygon name as a square. Now I am going to give the coordinates for that polygon, and I am going to give the coordinates as 0 0 4 0 4 4 minus 4 4 minus 4 0, and it has to reach the initial position, so I'm going to go the last coordinate as 0 0, and I'm going to click OK. So now the outer line of the square polygon has been created. Now I need to cover this curve, so for covering the curve I'm going to select that curve. Next select cover curve from the create shape from curve operation, and double click on that curve. And double click on that curve. So now click OK. So the curve outer line has been covered. So now this is a 2D shape. and we need to convert this 2D shape square polygon into 3D shape. So for that purpose we can use this extrude face operation. The face, extrude face. Now I'm going to give the name as square poly, and I'm going to give the height as HC, and we need to have this extension in the downward direction, so I'm going to give the negative sign so that we can have the extension in the downward direction. So now I'm going to press preview. So here now the 2D shape has been converted into 3D shape. So I'm going to click OK. So now we have the 3D polygon. So for creating polygon, 3D polygon also we can use this extrude face operation. So this is about extrude operation. If you like this video, please do like and share with your friends. Thank you.